The Ministry of Home Affairs has yet again postponed the meeting to March 29th to finalize the border agreement signed between Assam and Meghalaya for resolving the 6 of the 12 areas of difference. Informing this on Thursday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told reporters that the meeting has been fixed for March 29th at 4:30 p.m. Asked if HNLC peace talks will find place during the discussion with the Union Home Minister, he said that whenever an opportunity arises, he would take it up for discussion.
The HNLC issue, as mentioned to all of you from day one, is a process, and therefore it is very difficult to say that in this meeting this was discussed, in this meeting this was discussed. It's a process that will require a lot of meeting, discussion, coordination. Sometimes we'll be discussing the same points as we move along. So it's a process. To discuss the matter and take it forward, we will. But that does not necessarily mean that we will come to a decision or conclusion in every meeting that we move forward. But yes, given the opportunity when we are there, meeting the Home Minister, this issue will come up for sure at an unofficial level.
Maulai MDC in the Khasi Hills